Do you just hate your stupid computer? Then come on down to Yuri and Baxters! We are the... Honestly, as an elite premium member, I absolutely... We have the best diagnostics for your annoying computer! See? These guys absolutely know what they're doing. Actually, hey, I thought we fired these guys. What the? Hey, this is not cool at all. What? Okay, I was not responsible for that. Alright, you're gonna tell me everything, cardboard box, or else I'm gonna... So, this is what you're doing at 4 in the morning. Yep, pretty much. Okay, you know what? I'm out of here. Wait, no, come back. I don't want to. So come on down today. Better call now because we have like no more options. And
18-year-old to call. Bye.
Oh, plus Yuri ran out of minutes.